the speed and the art of these cars is pretty incredible.
You really are connected to the car, and the car is connected to the road. There's no power steering, power brakes, electronics to interfere with the fun of driving.
It's quite a tricky hill climb. There's lots of twisting turns, switchbacks, lots of drops off the side.
So the Bernina Rally is a hill climb in these beautiful alpine roads and this amazing backdrop of beautiful Switzerland. Well, Woodham Mortimer, we are race preparation, restoration and sales.
We have a 45,000 square foot premises over in Chelmsford that is bespokely built for classic cars and the restoration of classic cars. So Woodham Mortimer do everything on the event. We look after the customers from the moment they arrive to the moment they leave. Anything they need doing, we sort it for them. It is a full package deal.
It's vitally important that the cars are prepared properly, and that begins back in our headquarters back in Chelmsford in Essex.
We make sure the cars are thoroughly checked through, any jobs they need doing. We speak to the customers directly to make sure they know exactly what is going on with their cars and what needs doing. When they arrive on the event, we'll check them again to make sure nothing has changed in the transport of the cars, especially a place like Switzerland, like here. The altitude change can affect the mixtures of the car, so you need to make sure they are absolutely perfect.
Well, the day begins with preparing the cars and looking after our customers that are racing.
So the main thing that we focus on here is the preparation of the cars. We make sure the cars are warmed up, ready for the customers.
So the cars are going to be affected by the altitude and the cold weather. So that's what they're doing. They're making sure at every stage that the cars are the best they can be.
This is my first time at the Bernina, and I'm driving a 1956 Jaguar XK140 fixed head coupe.
This is the first time I'm doing anything like this, driving or racing vintage cars. So I came here with my father this year to, enjoy this race with him.
The thing about driving a historic or vintage car is that you really are connected to the car, and the car is connected to the road. There's no power steering, power brakes, electronics to interfere with the fun of driving.
Driving the route is incredible, right? So it's a very windy pass up through kind of from the Italian side to the Swiss side of the Alps, and hairpin turns, some long straightaways. Pretty wide variety and very enjoyable.
So the end of the racing day here, and the customers have gone back to their hotel, but the work continues here. The guys are working on the customer's car to prepare them for the morning, so they're going to be absolutely bang on, and the customers can continue to enjoy racing here in fabulous Switzerland.
I mean, the Woodham Mortimer staff is as good as it gets. We have 3 cars, there's 3 drivers, there's 6 guys, and there is nothing that's left undone. And they're always, what's really extraordinary is they're always attentive to make sure you're safe. Oh, it's fantastic to drive the route. You're driving a car that was built in 1956, somewhere in Oxfordshire, and here we are 60 years later and driving it like hell, like it was supposed to be driven. I mean, it's a one-in-a-lifetime opportunity.
Classic cars are both, works of art, but they're works of art you can enjoy. They have the element of speed and exhilaration.
Our passion for our classic cars is reflected in our work, which I think the customers can see that, hence why they love coming to Woodham Mortimer over and over again. We have a recurring customer base for multiple events, and I think they can really see that and they can tell that we do really love classic cars.
These cars need driving. You're part of the machine, and that's what makes us all love our classic cars.
They are a work of art.
Customer service is our main priority here. We have a 100% finish record for these events, and our customers are always super happy, so that is the main thing for us. We have a team dedicated to looking after the customers and making sure everything is perfect for them.
Well, why Woodham Mortimer is pretty easy. The quality of the work, the quality of the people.
A record speaks for itself. 100% finish record on this event and other historic race events around the world. So they're wonderful events to do, but you want to finish, so make sure you're on the Woodham Mortimer team.